Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we're gonna run our quick tunes video with this 2019 Kawasaki H2. This bike has been freshly fitted with a stage 3 kit. We actually also just did a bottom end repair on this bike. He had spun a bearing. So ultimately this thing's basically got a fresh bottom end, fresh stage 3. We're gonna get it up on the dyno, go ahead and run some tuning, see what we can't get out of this bad boy. Stick with us, guys. This is going to be a good one. We're going to run the quick tunes and enjoy. All right, guys. So as you guys see, we got this thing up on the dyno here. I got my program ready to edit the ECU and work some magic. We've got it all strapped, ready to rip roar. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up. We're gonna let it warm up to operating temperature, and then we're gonna go ahead and get some baseline pulls out of it if full throttle allows. I'm gonna go ahead and make some adjustments right now, giving it an extra amount of fuel just to make sure she's safe enough to give us some pulls, and then we'll go ahead and make some tuning adjustments and go from there. Alright guys, so keeping this video in quick tunes format, we're not going to go ahead and film every single little adjustment, stop and go as we go, but just to give you an idea, I have done some base pulls just out the gate, running extremely rich. We started this thing off, it only made 199. Obviously that's because we ran it super rich to make sure it was safe and then started working our tuning. We've got this thing going from 218, we've got this thing going 205, 209, 215, 222, 220. We've got this thing up there. We're gonna play a little more. We're gonna get a lot more out of her. I'm hoping to see anywhere over 250. We have seen more over 300s on certain guys' bikes, like one of the YouTube guys, you guys might know him, Adam, had the fastest H2 in Canada at one time up on our dyno, and I think it cracked 300 and something, but it was a built motor bike and all that. This one here, as she sits, is basically a stock motor with the stage 3 bolt-on upgrades, so I'm hoping to see over 250. That's of course tuned in typical Champion fashion, which is safe, reliable, but still powerful. We don't believe in stretching numbers on the dyno or trying to make it super lean and all this nonsense just to show big numbers. We're gonna make sure this thing runs for years and years and years to come, and the guy can have oodles and oodles of fun. So let's give some more pulls. We made some more adjustments here with timing and fuel, and we're gonna go ahead and see how much more we can get out of her. guys, so that about wraps it up in terms of tuning. We've gotten lots out of this bike. I've spent a couple hours here on the dyno doing what we could. As you guys can see by all the blue and red hoopla here, we have gone ahead and made boatloads of changes. We have played with lots of things on this bike. Again, always keeping it safe. We ended up making, come around here, I'll go ahead and delete some of these so we can see, clear all but this. So we wound up making, boom, I'll highlight it. We wound up making 255 and 109 foot-pounds of torque. As you guys can see, torque is very linear. Horsepower is very linear. Don't mind the little wobbling. That's when the tire starts breaking loose on the dyno. It just reads the chatter. But she's smooth. AFR is where it needs to be. Everything is perfect. 255 to the wheel and 109 foot-pounds. All safe and reliable. This guy's gonna have lots of fun on this bike with no problems going forward. Yeah, that's pretty much wraps it up for this video. This is a 2019 H2 Stage 3 upgrade equipped on a stock motor with some tuning. So if you guys are going ahead and doing this stuff at home to your bike with your builder or your tuner, you have an idea of what you can expect. If I was cool like your boy Jordan on Instagram and social media, I would have some glasses. I would throw them on the floor and look at these numbers because I am impressed. We'll see you guys in the next one. As always, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The more you do, the more we'll keep content coming, more different stuff. Just shout us out, hit us up on any social media. See you guys in the next one.